There are various kinds of masalas that you can make, and today we're going to make this popular Kitchen King Masala. You can always change the ingredients a little bit here according to your taste. The garam masala that is made in Kerala or Chennai is different from the garam masala they make in Maharashtra or in Punjab. So the masalas, the basic ingredients change a little bit, but every masala they fine tune it to their taste. Here is another Kitchen King Masala which you can make at home and use it for many sabji preparations. Use a little bit and it will flavor any curry. Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef, and today we're going to make this awesome paneer curry. Kind of do pyaza. I'm going to add some burnt capsicum to it to give that nice smoky flavor, and some curd, and with the Kitchen King Masala. So let's go ahead and make this. Most of the masalas they add a lot of coriander seeds. In this we're going to add chillies. You can use any chili that can give nice color to your masala. In this we're going to add whole spices like cinnamon stick, the black cardamom, the star anise, the nutmeg, dry ginger, hing, green cardamom, chana dal, some urad dal, peppercorn, some mustard seeds, maize. All these ingredients we are going to dry roast on a very slow flame. When they are half fried, we are going to add some more ingredients. This is what our Indian food, we love that nice masala. So each one has their own special ingredients. This is a perfect Kitchen King Masala. Once they are half roasted, you get this nice aroma. In this we are going to add some cumin seeds, we are going to add some fennel seeds, and also I am going to add garlic. Usually they add dry garlic, but even these thin slices will dry out in no time. Make sure you fry them on a very slow flame. All the ingredients are nice. The aroma is good. Look at the dals. They are also slightly colored. Let it cool down before you put it in a blender and make it into a fine powder. To this, just add the Kasoori methi leaf. That will make it very nice. Homemade perfect masala is ready. This is better than any store-bought masala. You can store this masala in an airtight container and keep it for months without spoiling. Now that you have made this awesome masala, let's go ahead and make our Paneer Sabzi. For making this curry, add oil in a pan. In this, add Shahjeera. Add finely cut onions. This will help me give a good gravy. So the technique is, whenever I am trying to make a gravy, I just finely chop the onions and cook these onions with a little bit of salt so that they get slightly golden in color. Look at the onions, nice and golden. In this, add ginger garlic paste. I added a little bit of water so that these onions don't burn. In this, add turmeric. I'm adding the cashew nut powder. So this is my trick for making a lot of gravy simple. Make sure that the cashew nut powder is nicely mixed. When this gets slightly sauteed, in this we're going to add chopped tomatoes, and we're going to let these tomatoes cook till they are slightly soft. After cooking for some time, the tomatoes seem to be nicely cooked and getting dissolved. We're going to add this masala, the awesome Kitchen King Masala. Along with this, we're going to add yogurt. We're going to make this into a nice gravy, but first make sure that the curd doesn't curdle, and along with these masalas, it will get nicely mixed up. Now in this, add water. You will have very simple and very easy, awesome masala. Keep cooking for 4-5 minutes and this will become a nice gravy. We are using two kinds of onions here, but I'm using the shallots, not the regular onion, and the capsicum and tomato. And these ones will taste excellent in the gravy when they are slightly smoked. Toss these vegetables and let them get slight coloring. That is what will give a very great flavor for the curry. Keep tossing. In the nice silky gravy, we're going to add these vegetables. This will give a very nice smoky flavor and your curry will be excellent. In this, we're going to add pieces of paneer. I want them to be slightly bigger for this curry. Let this cook for 2-3 minutes. When the paneer gets nice and boiling, we're going to add some chopped coriander, Add the cream and keep mixing vigorously. Just mix all of this and you have this fantastic curry ready. Mix it well so that the cream doesn't curdle. Switch off the flame. Look at these paneer pieces. Wow, amazing, beautiful, isn't it? Have these vegetables, everything perfect. You want to be able to see those tomato pieces, the capsicum pieces, and look at all those vegetables. And this is what makes this gravy very, very special. Add the pieces of paneer. And even look at these onions, they are nice, shiny. And this gravy, including the roti, is also very hot. And it is so good. That's why sometimes we call it finger licking good. Make sure use best of the best paneer. Keep cooking great food and keep saying whatever. Wow magic with Chef Mani.